Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to wear eyeshadow. I get a lot of questions on the specific order of how to apply eyeshadow. And yes, there is an order, but at the same time, it's really your personal preference. And with makeup, you can get as creative as you want. But for those that need order or just feel like they need to learn in steps, I hope that this tutorial would really help you guys. I'm gonna start with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It looks like this. This is the sample size. I like to get this because it lasts me a long time. But what I love about this product is that it makes my skin look so healthy and it gives you that inner glow you want under your foundation. There are days that I like to step out with just this primer on. I'll be using two different types of foundation. It's from The Ordinary and it's the Serum Foundation. The reason I'm using two is because I can never order my colors right online, and I feel like these two colors mix really well together and match my skin tone. Apply it like this. That's what it looks like. And then I just mix it with my hands. And apply. You can use a brush, you can use your fingers. Up to you. Don't forget your neck. I'm gonna use a brush to kind of blend all of it out. You'll see it's so weightless and it's very easy to move. Very smooth on your skin. It doesn't feel oily at all, even though it's a serum foundation. Evens out your skin tone. Perfect. I'm just gonna check in the mirror because I don't want it to look blotchy. And what I do after I apply, I go in with my fingers and just tap in because I'm not really sure without the mirror when I'm applying if it applies evenly. So apply it with your fingers like this. I can wear concealer, but I don't think I really need concealer. So I'm going to refrain from that. And sorry about my lighting. I don't have my lights on right now. But this is basically what my skin looks like after foundation. And then, let me just moisturize my lips because it is getting cold out there and I don't want my lips to crack. And then, I'm going to choose a blush to wear. I'm going to use my Morphe palette. I would show you guys what this palette looks like, but it's kind of a mess in there. But I am using the Morphe palette and I am using the color Unapologetic. You will see what that color looks like on my skin. And then I'm just gonna take the brush I used for foundation and go over certain areas that look a little too pink. Because I ain't trying to look like Santa Claus. Okay. blush. I might apply more later, but I'm gonna go little by little now, for now. And then now I'm gonna apply some contour, because it's very important. Oh, that's not it. I'm using the Anastasia contour kit. And this is the light to medium palette. And I like to use the lightest contour color, just because it doesn't have any hint of orange in it. I'm really not into the orange blushes. I'm into more of the grayish browns. Just make a 3 and contour your face. Contoured. I also like to go in with that same color and contour my nose. And you'll see how much of a difference this makes on my face. Do you see the difference? Ooh. Then I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm using the RMS Beauty Luminizer Quad palette, and I like to use, I think this is the Rose Champagne Rose. Go on the highest points of your cheekbone, then on the highest point of your nose. And I like to go right here. And then we're gonna get to the most important part of this video. We're gonna get into my eyeshadow. So first I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow primer, and I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Ooh, yep. I like to apply it. You have to be very fast with this, because I realized this product dries really fast and it tends to make your eyes look a little like flaky. It flakes. So you have to be really quick with applying this. So how I do it is I apply and then blend it out with my fingers before it dries up. That's how you do it. And then we're gonna go in with the base color. I'm using the Sonia Kajik eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use this light brown color right here as my base. You always wanna start off with a base color, and the base color would be the lighter color out of all of the colors that you're deciding to use. And whenever you apply eyeshadow with the brush, you wanna tap off the excess product before you apply and blend into your eyes. How I like to do it is look down into your mirror and just tap in that product with your brush. You want to get really close to your lashes and apply, because you don't want to see an empty line when you are done with applying your eyes. And once you've tapped in, I want you to brush outwards. And make sure you don't have too much product on your brush. Always make sure to go little by little, because you can always build up, but when you just start boldly, it's like very hard to go back, you know? And you always want a clean brush along with the brush that you're using as your eyeshadow brush. The reason you want a clean brush is to blend out the shadow. So I'm gonna blend it out. I don't like to see any lines or borders, so I like to blend it out and make sure it blends in with my skin. And that's how it should look. I think I can do a little bit more. Take that empty brush, blend. Gonna go on to the other eye. When I was younger, I used to like seeing all 3 different colors on my lids. But as I've gotten older and as I've gotten to learn more about makeup, I really like that look of having one color on your eye. And I think it's because I like to look more natural. Apply it and blend it out. And then I'm going to take another clean brush and choose my second color. I am going to use a darker brown, and the darker brown that I'm going to use is this one right here. Always make sure to tap. And this one I'm going to go on the outside corners right here. Create a slight smoky effect. And you're going to take that clean brush again and start blending it with that color that you first used and out, so you don't see this little corner line. Blend, blend, blend. I think the most important part of applying eyeshadow is blending and going little by little. You don't want to go bold right away because it will be hard for you to take off the product without messing up your makeup. To make everything come together, take a small brush like this, take that same darker color, tap it, and then connect under. You're not trying to look like a panda, so don't go crazy. Apply a thin layer right below and connect. That's how it should look. I'm gonna go onto my other eye. Tap, tap. And going to take that empty brush again and blend it out. Keep blending. And sometimes if you feel like your brush is not working, you could take a clean Q-tip and just blend with that. And then I'm going to take the smaller brush again, take that darker color, and go underneath. This is what your eyeshadow should look like once it's complete. Now I'm going to try to complete this eye makeup with some eyeliner and brows. I'm gonna go in with my Stila micro tip. And then I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil. This is from NYX. Okay. Brows are done. Now I'm going to apply my lips. I'm using the Rom&nd Glass Stain Water Tint in Brick River. apply it inside like this. And then I'm gonna apply a gloss on top of it. And looking at the complete look, I think I can do a little bit more blush. So I'm gonna go in and apply a little bit more. Something I always forget to apply on myself is mascara. I think it's so annoying, but it completes the look. So one more thing added, my mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use the Benefit They're Real. And I'm going to brush them out with this brush right here, this comb. From top, brush out any clumps, because I don't like clumpy eyelashes. Looking at this completed look, I think I can add a little bit of highlighter in the corners, the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm gonna take a brush, take that same highlighter color I used, and just dab it in right here. Tap, 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 and blend in. This is the completed look. Hopefully this video was helpful to those that have always wondered what the steps were to wearing eyeshadow. I will be back with another tutorial video hopefully very soon. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.